And now the start of first for the Lady Warriors of Bledsoe County High School. Number 4, Kendall Melanson. Number 5, Autumn Cooley. Number 25, Gracie White. Number 52, Carly Mayhem. And number 12, Emma Real. And the rest, the Lady Warriors of Bledsoe County High School are head coached by Beverly Tarver. And now, the starting lineup for your 2021-2022 Lady Blue Devils of Jackson County High School. At guard, a 5'8" sophomore, number 50, Aaron Davidson. At guard, a 5'4" junior, number 33, Riley Anderson. At guard, a 5'4" junior, number 14, Riley Thomas. At forward, a 5'7" junior, number 24, Jacqueline Pagey. And girl, in the middle, a 5'9" senior, number 21, Emma Stell.
Welcome everyone to tonight's exciting matchup. The Bledsoe Warriors versus the Jackson County Lady Blue Devils. Your starters for Jackson County, number 14, Riley Thomas, 21, Emma Stepp, 24, Jacqueline Agee, 33, Riley Anderson, and number 50, Aaron Davidson. Starters for Bledsoe, number 4, Melicon, number 25, Gracie Watt, number 52, Carly Mahan. We have number 12, Emma Real, and number 5, Autumn Cooley. Looks like the scorebook that I took a picture of is a lot neater handwriting than my own, so I apologize if I get some last names wrong. Tip-off goes to Jackson County. Thomas is going to take a far 3 and strip it. Good start for the Blue Devils. Riley Thomas for 3. Bledsoe with the ball. In the middle to Mahan. In the corner to 25, Watt for 3. No good. Rebounded by Agee. Anderson with the ball to Thomas. Now Anderson, top of the key. Goes left side to Davidson. Tries to make a pass back to Thomas, but it's too high. Goes out of bounds. It's going to be Bledsoe County ball. Bledsoe with the ball. Looks like Jackson County in a 2-3 zone. 52 in the middle. Mahan for 2. No good. Rebounded by Agee. Thomas with the ball for Jackson County. Goes right side to Davidson in the corner. Looks down low for Stepp. Stepp's covered up. Gets it back out to Thomas. Anderson. Left side now. Again, a little too high of a pass. It's going to go out of bounds. Bledsoe ball. Melicon with the ball, guarded by Davidson. Up top to Real. Now to Cooley, top of the key. In the corner now, shot up for 3. No good. Rebounded by Stepp. Jackson County ball in the lead by 3. 2 minutes passed in the game. Thomas with the ball. Looks down low for Agee. Gets Davidson instead for 3. No good. It's going to call Bledsoe ball. A screen on Anderson. Defender goes right, pick and roll rather. Pass in the middle and out. Back to her. Goes baseline for 2. No good. Good try by White. Rebounded by Jackson County. Great pass from Thomas to Agee. Agee couldn't finish it down low. Rebounded by Bledsoe. Bledsoe, number 12, Real, tried to make a pass down low, almost got lost in the process, but they recovered. Still Bledsoe ball. It's given to number 5, Cooley. To Real, now in the middle. Mahan for 2, it's good. 5 minutes left to go in the first. Jackson County in the lead by 1, 3-2. Thomas thinks about a 3. Goes down low to Agee instead. Agee a pass out to Davidson. Davidson for 3, and it's good. Aaron Davidson for 3. Bledsoe ball. A pass down to Mahan, but it's stolen by Stepp. Stepp gives it to Thomas. Across the middle, goes left side to Anderson for 3. No good. Good hustle by Davidson. Might have been a foul. They're just going to call it out of bounds off of Bledsoe. Not the call I was expecting, but the call I wanted. It's going to be Jackson County ball. Davidson in the corner. To Thomas across court. To Davidson, left corner for 3. Overshot it, but it's going to go out of bounds off of Bledsoe. Off the hands of Swafford, number 11. Thomas throwing it in. To Stepp, now to Davidson for another 3. No good. Oh man, they can't get their hands on anything. Out of bounds off of Bledsoe. It's going to be Jackson County ball after a timeout. And we're back from the break. Jackson County ball. Davidson in the corner. Trap coming up, gets it off to Thomas. Thomas looks down low. Has Anderson on across court. Anderson to Thomas. There's a shot for 3. No good. Great rebound by by Stepp. Stepp to Anderson up top. Davidson swings to the corner once again. Looks for a 3, no good. She doesn't. Also looking for Stepp down low, didn't have her. Got Thomas. Thomas for 3. It's good. Riley Thomas for 3.
Thomas, 4.
Makes 6 points for Thomas. The other 3 by Davidson. All 3-pointers for Jackson County. And only 2 points on the scoreboard for Bledsoe. Bledsoe, jump ball. For 2, it's Mahan. Again, she's the only scorer for Bledsoe so far. Thomas with the ball. In the corner to Davidson, looks for Agee. She doesn't get her. Goes to Thomas. Thomas drives, gets Davidson for 3. No good, just rattled out. Good job by Agee. Get her hand on it. It's going to be off of her though. Bledsoe ball. Nine to 4, Jackson County in the lead. Bledsoe goes in the corner, number 5, Cooley for 3. No good, rebounded by Agee. Thomas with it. Tries to break it for 2, it's good. Riley Thomas. Total of 8 points so far. Bledsoe, number 11, Stafford in the corner. Kicks it out to White. Down low, 20. 25, White. Goes up for 2. She got a foul.
First team foul.
Step coming out. And Beatty coming in. 1:36 left to go in the first. 11-4. Anderson, left wing to Beatty up top. Davidson in the middle. Gets Thomas on the right side. Beatty in the corner for 3. No good. Good tip by Davidson. AG's chasing it down. It's going to be a foul on AG.
Fouls number 24, Jacqueline Agee, her first team foul of the half.
Jackson County's first foul of the half. Cooley with it. Picks up her dribble. Goes to the top of the key. White. Guarded by Davidson. She goes left side to Swafford, Guarded by Thomas. Screen coming up for Thomas. She drives right instead. Tries to kick it out. Malkin on the floor. Gets it off to Cooley. Guarded by Beatty and Anderson. Great job by Anderson getting her hands on it. Jump ball. It's going to Jackson County. 40 seconds left to go in the first. Anderson with the ball. Cross time. Guarded by Malkin. Or Melancon, excuse me. She goes left side to Beatty. Back to Anderson. Now to Thomas in the corner. Looks down low, has nothing. Davidson flashes in the middle, doesn't get her. Thomas goes baseline. Cross court. Quick. 8 seconds. Beatty. Her shot is blocked. With 6 seconds left to go in the first. It's Bledsoe ball. Jackson County, full court pressure. Good pass to Cooley. Good block by Step. And that's the end of the first. 11 Jackson County to Bledsoe 4. And we're back here for the second quarter. 11-4, Jackson County in the lead with the ball. Or excuse me, Bledsoe ball starting off of the second quarter. Screen on Beatty gives number 4, Melancon, an open lane. She goes for 2, but it's no good. Rebounded by Jackson County's Davidson. Davidson kicks it out to Thomas. On the right wing. To Anderson, back to Thomas. Davidson flashes. Beatty, top. Goes left side to Anderson. Davidson's covered up down low. Gets Thomas for 3. No good. It's going to be Bledsoe ball. Bledsoe with the ball. It's Cooley. Guarded by Thomas. Good screen by Watt. Good bounce pass down low to number 3. Adds Blankenship for 2. No good. Offensive rebound by 52 Mahan. And she's going to draw a foul. It's foul on Agee, her second. Carly Mahan, the only scorer for Bledsoe. First free throw is good. Second free throw, no good. Rebounded by Beatty of Jackson County. Thomas, left wing. Step covered up down low, gets Beatty. Up top to Anderson for 3. Anderson for 3, it's good. Bledsoe, Cooley, pass up to White. guarded by Thomas. To Mahan, guarded by Step. Steps all over. Kicks it out to White. In the middle, she stops. Hands it off to Melancon. It's a foul on Davidson.
Fouls number 50, Erin Davidson, her first, team's third.
Her first, team's third. Shot up by Bledsoe, no good. She still got her own rebound, and another foul on her. This time, fouls on Step.
Fouls on 21, Emma Step, her first, fourth team foul.
Free throws up and good. Gracie Watt with her first free throw. Second free throw is good. Your scores: Jackson County 14, Bledsoe County 7. Six minutes left to go in the second. It's pass to Beatty on the right side. To Davidson up top. Thomas, left side. Davidson spins around. Oh, she had her down low. Gets her outside instead. She drives. Cross court to Anderson for three. No good. Rebounded by Bledsoe. Bledsoe overshot it. It's going to be Jackson County ball. Timeout called by Jackson County. And we're back. It's Jackson County ball. Anderson with it. Goes left side to Beatty. Step down low. Davidson up top. To Thomas. Anderson rolls around. Pass to her. Screened by Davidson. She goes left side. Davidson up top. Back to Anderson. Restart this. Anderson up top, guarded by Melancon. Gets Beatty on the left side, guarded by Cooley. Back to Davidson up top, to Thomas on the right side. Number 3 comes up to guard Blankenship. She goes baseline, dribbles in and out. Gets Davidson. Davidson drives in the middle, kicks it out. Beatty has a shot for 3. No good. Rebounded by Bledsoe. Cooley with the ball, right side, guarded by Anderson. Goes up top. Now left side, Blankenship, guarded by Thomas. In the middle to Mahan. Mahan for 2. No good. It's tipped. Good job, Anderson, for breaking that up. It's going to go out of bounds off of Anderson. It's Bledsoe ball on the throw-in. In and out, number 5, Cooley for 2. No good. And it's saved by Davidson. Anderson with the ball, crosses time. Gets Davidson to Thomas. Good screen by Davidson. That gives Anderson an open lane for 2. Unfortunately, she couldn't get it to fall in. Cooley with the ball. Anderson up to guard. Watt up top, guarded by Davidson. Goes in the middle to Blankenship, guarded by Step. That's a mismatch right there. But a foul on Step. That's her second.
21, Emma Step, her second,
Team's fifth. First free throw, no good by Blankenship. She's got one more on the line. No good, rebounded by Mahan, and that one's no good, rebounded by Jackson County. Davidson to Anderson, to Thomas, right side. Blankenship up to guard. Gets Davidson. A pass to Anderson, looks down low for Step. She has her. for two. It's good. Emma Step for two. It's 16-7, Jackson County in the lead. Bledsoe with the ball. A pass, down low to Blankenship, and to Melancon. Tried to make a pass to her teammate, but it's turned over to Jackson County, and it's a foul on number 4, Melancon, trying to catch up to Anderson.
Team second.
Davidson up top, left side to Thomas. To Anderson, screened by Davidson. Davidson's gonna take that shot for 2 or 3, no good. Rebounded by Bledsoe. Blankenship with the ball. It's stolen by Davidson for 2. It's good.
Davidson.
And 25, that's Gracie White did not chase down Davidson at all. Oh, that's a foul. Number 5 got a little frustrated that Anderson was all over her. It's a foul on Cooley. Subs coming in for Blankenship. Number 5 coming out, and number 25. Anderson, pass to Beatty up top. Handoff to Thomas. A good screen by Step. Thomas, this guy gets blocked, excuse me. I couldn't talk there for a second. Great job by Anderson to break that up. Out of bounds at the half-court line. It's going to Bledsoe. .32 in the game. Sarah Real. A pass to Mahan. Now to number 12, Emma Real. Pass down low to 4. Melancon gets fouled. It's a foul on Step, her third. Agie's going to check in for her after this free throw. Free throw's good. She has one more on the line. It's up and good. Your score, Jackson County 18, Bledsoe County 9. Good screen by Agee. Thomas with the ball, drives left for 2, is no good. Rebounded by Davidson, timeout. And we're back here on the Blue Devil Network for the last minute of the first half. Thomas throwing it in. It's into Anderson. Anderson up top, holding the ball. Wondering if they want to get the last shot off of this quarter, in this quarter rather. Anderson's guarded loosely by Melancon, number 4. Now count started. $20 seconds. $14. Gets Davidson on the left wing. To Agee. Agee kicks it out to Thomas. Oh, no, they said she walked after she was going to take a 3. That gives Bledsoe the ball with 6.3 seconds left to go in the second quarter. 2 seconds, that's it. That's the end of the first half. Your score, Jackson County 18, Bledsoe County 9. And we're back here on the Blue Devil Network. Start of the second half, third quarter. Jackson County starting off with the ball. Thomas with 8, Stepp with 2, Anderson with 3, Aaron Davidson with 5 points. Thomas with the ball, right side, down low to Agee. Agee is not defended at all. She went up for 2 with an open shot and just rattled out. She almost got her own rebound, but was taken away by Bledsoe. So Bledsoe with the ball, top of the key, guarded by Beatty from Jackson County. She gets Mahan in the middle. Kicks it out to number 3, Blankenship for 3. No good. Rebounded by Agee. Agee to Davidson. Now Thomas with it, top of the key. To Beatty, left wing, guarded by Blankenship. Or excuse me, that's Cooley. Beatty to Thomas. Thomas goes left side to Beatty. Gets Thomas. Thomas on the right side, looking down low. Agee saves it. Great hustle by Davidson. Anderson picks it up, gives it to Agee. And now back to Anderson to restart the play. Thomas with the ball. Is screened by Agee. Kicks it out to Beatty for 3. Left corner. No good. Rebounded by Bledsoe. Cooley with the ball. Good pass to 4. Melancon for 2. No good. Rebounded by Agee. Thomas with the ball to Anderson. Anderson to Agee. Agee for 2. Oh, no good. Rebounded by Bledsoe. Cooley with the ball. Anderson up to guard. Good job by Beatty, swatting the ball out of bounds. Bledsoe on the throw in. Still Jackson County 18, Bledsoe 9. A shot up by 25. White, no good. Out of bounds, gonna be Jackson County ball. Anderson with it. Right side to Beatty. Now Agee up top. To Thomas. Thomas down low to Agee for 2. Oh, Agee just can't hit her shot. Again, she slipped her defender, number 52, Mahan, and just overshot it. There's a foul on Agee, her 3rd. A pass from Cooley down to 4, Melancon. Oh no, another foul on Agee. That's her 4th now. Not good for Jackson County here in the 3rd quarter with 4:38 left to go. Stepp getting out Agee. Agee, I bet, a little annoyed. She's having to check out. Number 4, Melancon for 1 on the line. It's Jackson County ball. Thomas with it. To Anderson. Thomas for three. Just overshot it. Rebounded by Cooley. Bledsoe. Good defense by Jackson County. Not there. Cooley has an open shot for three. No good. Rebounded by Mahan. Mahan with another offensive rebound. Kicks it out to 25. 25 White for two.
Grayson White.
Thomas with the ball, left side. Looks down low for step, but she's covered up by Mahan. Good screen by Davidson. Thomas to Anderson up top. Beatty, top of the key. Handoff to Thomas. Step coming up the screen, gives Thomas an open lane. She gets fouled. She's going to the line to shoot two. Fouls on number 3, Blankenship, her first. First free throw was good. Second free throw is good. Brings your score at Jackson County 20, Bledsoe County 12. With 3:05 left to go in the third. A pass in the middle to Mahan. Makes it way to Blankenship. And a pass to White. White down low, travels before she got the shot off. It's going to be Jackson County ball. Anderson to Beatty up top. Handoff to Thomas. Anderson to Beatty. Good screen by Davidson. And looks like White is going to block that shot from Beatty. And Davidson is going to draw a foul, I believe. Foul on Gracie White, number 25. It's a throw in under their own net. Thomas is looking, gets Anderson on the right corner. In the middle, out to Beatty. Beatty to Davidson. Davidson looking, gives it to Anderson. Gets Beatty on the left side. A screen by Davidson. Gives it to Davidson. Now to Thomas. Thomas looks down low. Some confusion. Gets Davidson for two. Great job. Good pass. 22-12. 1:50 left to go in the third. It's a shot by Melancon for three. Beatty with it, top of the key for three. No good. Rebounded by Davidson. Gets it out to Anderson. Try to set this up again. Beatty on the right side. Davidson up top. Thomas spins around to the left side for a three. And it's good! Riley Thomas for three.
Come on, folks. 4.
Bledsoe ball, number 5. Cooley with the ball. A pass inside to Mahan. Kicks it out. The three, Blankenship for three. Brings your score 25-18 now. Bledsoe shortening that lead that we had. 30 seconds left to go in the third. Looks like Jackson County is going to try to get the last shot off. starting the count. Beatty with it, top of the key. 15, or excuse me, down low to Davidson. It's stolen, and a foul. What? They're going to call a foul on Davidson? That doesn't make any sense. Davidson got threw on the ground, and she got the foul, but whatever. Bledsoe ball. 1 second. That's it. That's the end of the third. It's 25-18. Jackson County in the lead. And we're back here on the Blue Devil Network for the final quarter of action. It's Bledsoe Lady Warriors versus Jackson County Lady Blue Devils. Watt has it on the inside. Looks for a shot, or excuse me, looks for a pass. Passes it to her teammate, a wild shot up. And it's going to be a foul on Bledsoe, number 52. That's Mahan. It's going to be Jackson County ball. Anderson with it. Right side to Beatty. It's swatted away by Bledsoe. We had to run that one down, but we got it. Trying this again. Anderson with it. To Beatty up top. Hand off to Agee. A screen by Stepp. She goes left side. Gets Beatty for a shot. 3. Oh, just rattled out. A good rebound by Stepp. Stepp got fouled. No call. Bledsoe ball. They're on the ground fighting for it. It's going to be a jump ball. Bledsoe with it. Excuse me, it's going to be Jackson County ball. .650 left to go in the game. Jackson County 25, Bledsoe 18. Thomas. Yep, double dribble. I don't know. The ball was swatted away from Thomas's hand. She picked it back up, and when she dribbled, they said it was a double dribble. Bledsoe ball in the middle. Oh, she might have traveled. No call for 2. No good. Rebounded by Jackson County's Davidson. Davidson's trapped. He's trying to get out of it. There's a foul on 25, White. Called it a push on Davidson. Thomas with the ball. Goes left side to Beatty. Thomas in the corner. Back to Beatty. To Anderson up top. Ellen Collin up to guard. Gets Beatty on the right side, guarded by Cooley. Back to Davidson. White. White fouls Davidson. That's Gracie's 4th. She will be coming out of the game. Beatty with it. Stepp doesn't even try to get it down low. She's just standing there, kinda. Now she tries to get it. She flashes, and a little bit too late. Anderson up top. Thomas to Beatty in the corner. Drives for 2. No good. Rebounded by Davidson. Timeout called by Upchurch. And we're back here on the Blue Devil Network. 5:18 left to go in the game. Again, as I said, 25-18. Jackson County in the lead. Throwing in the ball under their own net. Thomas is looking for someone. Anderson for 3. No good. Stepp tips it, but Bledsoe recovers. Bledsoe with the ball, hand off to Cooley. Cooley up top, pass left side to Blankenship. Blankenship in the middle, out to Melancon, right side for 2. No good. He said it's going to be a foul on Jackson County number 33. That's Anderson. That's her first foul. On the line, Melancon for 2, or excuse me, for 1. It's good. 30-second timeout by Bledsoe, and we're back. It's going to be Jackson County ball on the other side of the court. Davidson looking and gets Anderson. Anderson to Thomas. Thomas across court. Step to Thomas for 3. It's good. Riley Thomas for 3. Bledsoe ball. Blankenship has it on the left side. Agee up to guard. She drives. Picks up her dribble and a pass to Melancon. Melancon for 2. It's blocked by Step, but recovered by Mahan. Mahan with an air ball, and it's recovered by Jackson County. Into Thomas. Thomas across the middle. Gets Davidson. Davidson looks for Agee. Nope. For Thomas on the other side of the court. Now she looks for Agee. She's covered up. Gets it to Anderson. Anderson, Thomas. Down low to Agee. Agee for 2. That's clockwork right there. That's exactly how that should go. Great job, Jacqueline Agee. And a good pass from Riley Thomas. Blankenship with the ball, left side. Agee up to guard. Step now guarding Mahan. Down low, Mahan. A pass to 32. Real for 2, no good. It's rebounded by Agee. Davidson with the ball now. 3:20 left to go in the game. Oh, plug in. Oh, come on now. Okay. Thomas. A pass down low to Agee for 2. Look at that. They weren't expecting that pass. It's a great inside pass. Good finish from Agee. Blankenship for 2. No good. Rebounded by Agee. Agee to Davidson. Thomas, right side. Davidson, left wing. Shot up, no good. Rebounded by, jump ball. But it's going to Bledsoe. Bledsoe ball, number 4, Melancon. Right side, guarded by Anderson. Gets it out to Cooley. Now up top to White. Good block by Agee. And recovered by Step. She gives it to Thomas. 2 minutes left to go in the game. Anderson loses it. Knocked out of bounds by number 4 on Bledsoe's side, so still Jackson County ball. Davidson on the throw-in for Jackson County. Into Thomas. Davidson, left side to AG up top. AG goes right side, Thomas. AG up top, Davidson left side to Anderson. Good screen by AG. Gives it to Thomas. Another screen by Stepp. Kicks it out to Davidson for three. Oh, that was a good play. The shot just didn't make it. And Stepp is going to get the offensive rebound and draw a foul. She's going to the line to shoot two. Stepp on the line, shooting two. First shot up and good. Second free throw up, no good. Rebounded by Bledsoe. Bledsoe ball, number 12. Emma Reel, a pass to Mahan for two. No good. It's recovered by AG. AG with the pass to Thomas. There's 1 minute left to go in the game. Looks like Bledsoe's fighting a little harder for the ball. Davidson to AG. Up top, it's Davidson to Anderson. Good screen by AG. Playing monkey in the middle here. Thomas to AG. Hand off to Thomas. AG kicks it out to Anderson. Picks up her drone dribble. Upchurch with a timeout with 11 seconds to go in the game. 11 seconds left to go in the game. It's Jackson County ball on the throw-in. Davidson with it. It's foul on Bledsoe, as I expected. Fouls on Emma Reel, her first. Thomas on the line, shooting two, no, 1 and 1 maybe. 1 and 1 it is, first one good. Second free throw is good. Now Bledsoe with the ball. Maybe they can get one more shot off before the end of the game. Number 11 with it. Calling no foul. And that's the end of the game. Jackson County Lady Blue Devils take off with a win against Bledsoe Lady Warriors. Final score 35-19.